folks in. Leandra White. Unmute yourself, press *6 and turn on your camera, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Leandre Maurice White. This is ticket number P1357451. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling case number SP1376282. Count 1, stop street or intersection failed to stop. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. And count 3, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P22994, representing defendant. Your name, sir?
Leandre White.
Your Honor, there is an offer. My client will plead guilty to improper plates and responsible to the seatbelt. The rest will be dismissed.
Want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 28th of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Honda vehicle in the area of Conner and Gratiot Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did it have improper plates on it at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, reading from the ticket on the date of August the 2nd of 2022 in the area of East Burner Highway and Iroquois Street in the city of Detroit, Mr. White was driving a Honda and failed to use the seatbelt assembly effectively. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a count to improper plates, 1 count to fail to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for the seatbelt is $65. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Will that be enough time on that ticket?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're gonna have that due no later than November 15th, 2022. The remaining fine is $200. Do you need 30 or 60 days to pay that remaining fine?
30.
Okay, I'll make that due no later than December 1st, 2022, okay?
That's 260 in total, correct?
265.
Thank you, ma'am. How do I make payments?
You can either come down physically to 36th District Court, or you can go online to 36districtcourt.org and make payments, okay? If you have any reinstatement fees, those are above and beyond. I don't know if you have any, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Yes, sir.
I will, thank you. Stefan Wilcher.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Stefan Wilcher. This is ticket P1353861. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, loud music from a motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Stefan Welcher.
Yeah, there's an offer to reduce no insurance to improper plates, to dismiss counts 1 and 3. My client accepts that offer, will plead guilty.
If that's the case, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights, sir?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or jury trial in the future? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 25th of 2022. Were you at that time driving a Ford vehicle in the area of East McNichols and McDougal Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, stipulate the probable cause on the other 2.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. The remaining 2 counts, count 1 and 3, will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay, I have to do no later than December 1st, 2022, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a great day, sir, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Gerald Wilson? Gerald Wilson? Nikita Webster, can you unmute your phone, please?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Nikita Webster. This is ticket number, case number SP 13069901. 1 count drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling SP 1205871. 1 count drag racing. Count 2 on that same ticket is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
And ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Kia Webster.
I'm not sure if I have the offer on that.
Okay.
Right, because we didn't speak about that.
All right. She was just back in the room, so I thought you talked to her. She was in the waiting room. Ma'am,
Well,
I'm
I have 2 charges of unregistered and no insurance, and that's it.
Okay. All right.
Those are 2 different tickets, like, that she just called out.
They are.
Like, 2 different times. Like, 2 different officers gave me those tickets.
Right.
So if there's a offer on it, I don't know what happened on this.
Okay. Ms. Webster,
I don't want to take the offer out. Okay.
I know.
Because I don't want to take the offer on no drag racing.
Okay. I'll give him the offer, then he can talk to you about it in the breakout room, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Wilson, can you unmute yourself for me, please?
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Here.
All right. Now calling the matters of people versus Gerald Dwayne Wilson. This is ticket 296828. One count open intoxicants. Motor vehicle, also calling case number or ticket number 268269. One count open intoxicants in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant. Your name, sir?
Gerald Wilson.
Yeah, it's my understanding the client requesting a waiver trial.
Yes.
Okay. Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to set this for January 30th, 2023. That's going to be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Sir, no new tickets like this between now and then, or else I'm going to have to put a bond into place.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. I'll see you back January 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. Bond set at $0 personal for now, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
David White, can you unmute yourself, please? Start your video. David White. Yeah, there you go. Now calling the matter of the people versus David Franklin White III. This is ticket number SP 13063021. One count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant. Your name, sir?
David White.
Yeah, it's my understanding there's an offer for dismissal.
Right. Now that you have your license, Mr. White, they are going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Please make sure you always keep your license valid, up to date, and on you, especially when you're driving in a vehicle, okay?
Guarantee. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. White. Have a great day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Marcus Walker, please unmute yourself. Turn on your camera for me.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marcus Walker. This is ticket number SP 1307954. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, speeding, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant. Your name, sir?
Marcus Walker.
Yeah, there is an offer. My client would be responsible to blockading traffic, which is a reduction from 11 to 15 over. No insurance to be dismissed. My client accepts that offer.
Is that right, Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, reading from the ticket on the date of January 30th of 2022 in the area of Woodward Avenue and West State Fair in the city of Detroit, Mr. Walker was driving a Chevy vehicle and did block traffic by speeding 11 to 15 miles over. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Stipulate the probable cause for dismissal of the insurance case.
This time, whoever talking in the background, gotta stop, Mr. Walker. We can hear everything.
Okay, let me put it, that's the TV.
Turn it off while you're in court.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay,
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to blockading. Remaining count will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for that is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay fines. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll make this due no later than November 15th, 2022, okay?
Okay,
All right, you're all set. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Pierre Walker,
Present, yes, I'm here.
got it? All right. Now, I think I have an officer present on this one. Now calling the matters of the people versus Pierre Walker. This is ticket SP 1221676. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
And Mr.
Your
Walker,
name,
do you
sir?
say- say
Mr.
your
Walker,
Mr.
your name?
Pierre Walker. Sorry.
Yeah, I don't think I realized this was a trial date. I'm not sure if I got an offer on that or not. Pierre Walker, I think I did.
Have you talked to him about the offer and the fact that the officer is present today, Mr. Walker?
Yes,
Okay, how are you moving forward? Did you want to have a bench trial? Did you want to take the offer of fail to obey school crossing guard?
Oh, there we go.
and what penalties come with that? If you don't mind me asking.
No, it's points on your license. I think it's 3 points and it'll be a fine from you.
Okay, will my license be suspended?
No,
Reckless driving? Okay,
it's to reduce to the reduced charge does not require a license suspension, Your Honor. The reckless driving does.
okay, yeah. The reduced cost does not cost you to.
Okay, okay, I understand.
Did you need some time to think about it, or did you want to proceed forward, Mr. Walker?
I would like to proceed forward.
Okay. All right, and the officer is here today, just so you know, Mr. Walker, okay? So if you wanted to have a bench trial, we can have a bench trial today, okay?
Okay, or I could just take the offer.
Yeah,
I would prefer that. That would make more sense.
you got to speak in a little clearer. You're moving a
Oh, I'm
lot, so I
sorry.
didn't get to your. Huh?
Sorry, sorry about that. I would prefer to take the offer.
Okay, if so, sir, just raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Correct, yes.
Okay. You got any place you can set your phone down real quick to set it up so we don't get so much noise? Or no?
I have to hold it with my hand. I can't prop it up.
Okay.
I got everything turned off. I'm sorry. I don't
Okay.
know.
No, it's just because when you're moving the phone, it's nothing. That's why I was asking you to put it down. But just try and just be still for me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, even though I had reasons.
Yes
for
or no, sir?
Yes, yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're gonna give up your rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
With all of that being said, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna take your attention back to the date of July 10th of 2021, Were you in the area of East Jefferson and Rivard Street to the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Correct.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you driving in a reckless manner, sir?
I with cause.
Either
even though-
yes or no, sir.
Mr. Walker, give me a yes or no, because you're gonna mess with the plea. I'll allow you to explain in a minute, but you gotta just say yes or no right now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, stipulate the probable cause.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to obey school crossing guard. Count 2 of this ticket will be dismissed. All right, sir, you want to tell me what cause? What were you in such a rush to get to?
Actually, I was honestly 100% sincerely in fear for my life that day. I had wore all my jewelry. I had the top down on my car. We stopped at the party store. Unfortunately, the guy that I was with was under the influence. And as we walked into that party store, he made snarky comments to the gentlemen that was sitting out in the car. He said some very disrespectful things. So as we got back in my car, I started my car up. Those gentlemen started their vehicle up. When I pulled off, they pulled right behind me. And to make sure that I wasn't just overthinking, I switched to the left lane. They switched to the left lane right behind me. I switched to the right lane, right lane. They switched to the right lane behind me. At that point, honestly, my flight kicked in. Honestly, I can't lie. I gunned it. When I gunned it, sure enough, they gunned it. And I gave the officer the identity of the vehicle, explained it to them. They did write that down. They did take that into consideration. But that's honestly what happened. Honestly, feel like they was in danger. Honestly, I wanted to make it home to my kids, so I just flight kicked in and I just took off. And when I took off, they took off right behind me. So I felt like my instincts have served me correct, but I was driving reckless because I was speeding. I was honestly.
All right. Well, I think you learned some very valuable and important lessons that day, Mr. Walker, about lots of stuff. You let your vehicle, what you have on, it's unfortunate. And I was talking about that with somebody earlier today. You can't just wear whatever you want to wear all the time sometimes, especially when you're trying to floss and show off and stuff. You got to decide where you want to go to do all that, because let me tell you, there's a group of people and individuals who don't want to work as hard for the items that you have, and they rather just get yours. Okay? Every time. And it may have been a blessing that you got pulled over, because they may have got spooked and then left you alone.
I'm sorry. But that's exactly what I told the officer. I said I honestly was happy to see you guys. Like 100%. I felt like that was God timing. Like it was perfect when I got pulled over, because I know it scared the individuals away. But like I said, I did give them the description of the Cadillac. They did take that into consideration and they did write it down. But I was actually honestly happy to see the officers doing that. 100%.
All right. Wow. I'm glad that happened that way. I am going to give you a fine though, because you did recklessly drive, and I'm sure you weren't the only person out on the road that day, right?
Correct, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to give you a $200 fine, sir. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days, please, because I have a lot of bills I'm catching up on as we speak. I'm pretty sure it will be paid before 60 days, but 60 days, I'm just trying to play it safe. Make sure I have
You just got saved by you getting points on your license. I can't do anything about that, but I'm gonna waive your costs and fines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a good day. Sorry this happened. I hope you learned a valuable lesson.
I
Thank
did.
you, Officer Walden.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day.
You as well.
Torian?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matters of the people versus. calling the matter of the people versus Tori Young. This is ticket P 1353116. One count 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Ticket P 1353144. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
All phone representing the defendant, your name, sir?
Corey Demetrius Young.
Oh, boy. Oh, I believe there's a reduction in the speeding or it's as charged. He's pretty responsible, dismissed, the driver license suspended. Is that correct, Mr. Young?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, you want to take advantage of that today, sir? You want to take advantage of that today, Mr. Young?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the day of May 14th, 2022, in the area of East Warren and Wayburn Street in the city of Detroit, Mr. Young was driving a Ford vehicle and did do limited access 60 in a 55-mile-per-hour zone. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, your honor. Stipulate the probable cause.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge, limited access 60 and 55. I'm going to dismiss the remaining counts called on this record. Sir, the fine for that. The fine for this is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay misdemeanor civil infractions. Is that enough time, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I can pay that next Wednesday.
Okay. I'm gonna give you to 11/15/2022 to have that paid. Now, you have some other outstanding matters. I remember you from last time. We're taking off some late costs and fees. You pled to quite a few things before, but then they've just been sitting out there. Ah. You pled for them back in 2012, right? 2012, 2015, and 2014, and you just have costs left on them. I took away the late fee costs, but that's the best I can do for you, Mr. Young.
Okay.
Okay? So pay those when you can. Those are about. What else? Got some fees out there, it's about $610. Okay,
Okay.
but for the tickets, those are, but I think you resolved all the tickets that you had, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Those are traffic tickets.
These are all traffic tickets. So you pled back in 2015, it looks like. On March 1st of 2017, you said that sound about right? Then you took another guilty plea. November 12th of 2014, you took 2 guilty pleas that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But his being serving 4.5 years in prison have any effect on those, your honor? After he.
I took the late fees off. He pled though. So that's,
Okay.
That's the downside, not the downside, but he already took a plea. If he hadn't have, we could have tried to work something out, but he pled. My hands are tired, I'm sorry. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
all right. If you're all set, Mr. Young, good luck to you, okay?
Okay. Question. So
Yes, sir.
my total balance would be.
Let me see. If you paid off everything, I don't know if you have any reinstatement fees. It'll be $735. $735.
$735.
That's everything. Those are all the tickets.
Okay. So as of now, the main ticket that I have to pay off right now is the one for the 125.
Just the 125 right now. You can take your time. We'll pay in the other ones, okay?
Okay, so I wouldn't be able to get my license until those are paid.
If they have reinstatement fees on it, correct. And I think one of them at least did. Got like 5 reinstatement fees. Those are 45 apiece. So you gotta pay the reinstatement fees. It's like 5 of them in order to apply for your license. Yes. Pay those. Yeah.
Well, he can pay these, but these right here, I have to do their own. You can go just pay the fee.
Mr. Young, I allow you to just be able to pay your reinstatement fees, but you still gotta pay on the ticket,
Okay.
okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't, it's just gonna sit there and it's gonna get garnished one day from your account. Okay?
Yes,
I know
ma'am.
that's one of the things you need so that you can be able to get a job, isn't it? Your license.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
All
I
right.
got 2 jobs already. So right now, my wife is the one that moves me around right now.
Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna okay that he can pay his reinstatement fee on those 2 ones that he still needs to pay on. But you gotta pay the cost and fines, okay, Mr. Young?
Yes, ma'am.
That way you can try and at least give some relief, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
So the
You're all
reinstatement
set.
are how much reinstatement fees?
They're $45 a piece, so you have 5 of them.
Okay.
So you, 225. So my suggestion would be to pay the 225 and the 125, and then work on paying the other tickets down.
Okay.
So one of the 220 tickets, both of the 220 tickets, when you pay the $45, it'll bring both of those tickets down to 175. Okay? So some of
Okay.
these fees I'm giving you, it includes the cost of the reinstatement fee, but you gotta pay them so that you can get your license back, okay?
Okay.
All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, Mr. Young, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Mohammed Yusuf,
Yes.
now calling the matters of people versus Mohammed Yusuf. This is ticket 293113. One count drove while license suspended. Ticket number P13572230. Oh no. This offer isn't gonna be fantastic. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, draw, brandish facsimile firearm. Count 3, consuming marijuana while motorboat vehicle, motorboat, or off-road vehicle. Also calling ticket number P1357251. One count drive on off shoulder pass traffic on expressway. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. And ticket number P10044445. One count driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Hyman Yusuf.
Your Honor, on the driving on the shoulder, my client was plead responsible. And another count was reduced to improper plates. I forget the original charge.
Okay, but I see, and I didn't know, and I do apologize, that there's a consuming marijuana ticket. That's a state ticket. Their offer is typically 3 months, delayed sentence, and they'll dismiss it, but he has to plead as charged on that.
I was unaware of that charge, Your Honor. So,
Me neither until right now. I'm so sorry.
I'd have to,
I know. So I'll just put you in the room with him. He's going to talk to you about one more ticket that he didn't know
Okay.
about, counsel didn't know about, okay?
Okay.
All right.
they aren't dismissing those marijuana tickets at this time, the state?
Not the ones where they are, but with the 3-month delayed sentence. So it
Okay.
eventually get dismissed. It's just not getting dismissed right off. Yeah,
Okay,
okay. That's what my understanding has been, so. All right, I'm gonna put you into breakout room number 4. Join that room for me, sir. Also, John is back in here, so if you need to talk to Mr. Gillis before you go in the breakout room, please do.
I had the offer for Miss Woody, that was.
I got a couple more besides Woody. You have an offer for Woody now?
I just finished it, yep, there was quite a few, I think quite a few of them were in default, so I tried to make offers just on the ones that were on the docket and dismissed all the ones that were in default. There's about
Reasonable.
18 counts total.
Okay. Then we got Roxanne Zachary. She has registration and license and insurance.
He's here for a trial.
Okay. And you've confirmed all that, Mr. Faulkner?
I
for Ms.
did.
Zachary?
Yes,
Okay. Yeah, it looks like that. Let's see, does that take care of everything?
yeah, she was here before and they
Yeah.
told her that she did that to take care of it.
Yep, yeah, and it looks like, yeah, all of her tickets relate to documentation, so, okay,
Yes.
so that won't be a dismissal.
Okay. Anita Watkins,
All right.
Need that file. Need the file.
So with Miss Watkins, did she have documentation?
oh,
or-
can we go into a breakout room
Oh, sure.
with her? Well, no, I don't need her. If I could just go in with you,
Yeah, that works.
I need to discuss it a little bit.
Go on to number 1, Mr. Faulkner. He'll join you in number 1.
Okay. Corporal Knapp is in there. Except he's not joined, so it doesn't matter.
Did you want Corporal there?
No,
I don't know why he's in there. Okay,
it says not joined. He was in there evidently, but
okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I have to be at work. I spoke to the attorney. Is there any way that possibly I could just do a trial?
Okay, the clerk will answer that question for you in a moment. Hold on.
All right, thanks, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yes. I've been on here since 8:45. The attorney told me he was going to get back with me. I have to be at work actually. I wanted to know if possibly I can just do a trial.
Well, the trial will take even longer. But if that's what you want, it's gonna take longer to do a trial.
Okay, because I have these tickets here. Okay. I just got my insurance. I just have my registration. I have proof of all of that. Um, but when he pulled me over, he said that I had expired plates and my plates weren't expired.
Okay, Mr.
So
Williams,
yes,
you didn't mean a trial, you mean a trial date.
right.
You're
So the
here for a
officer
show
can be
cause.
present.
You're here for a show cause, not a trial today.
Right. So the officer, I wanted the officer to be present so that we can.
So you will have to get a trial date. And that would be sometime in January.
Okay, that's fine. I mean, that's perfectly fine. I have 5 tickets, of which I admit I was driving without insurance, but
Okay,
I took my car to my brother's house for
okay,
safekeeping. I was
hold on, sir. Hold on, Mr. Williams.
Stop talking. Your attorney should talk for you.
So you're gonna go back into the breakout room. The
I have
attorney
to
will be in
go
there
to work.
shortly.
I
I
have to
understand
be
that.
at work.
I understand that, Mr. Williams.
I'll
I
talk to
need
you
to
right
go
now,
back into
Mr.
the
O.
breakout. I need you to go back into the breakout room.
Did you see Mateo Williams' documents? He said he had documents, Mr. Faulkner.
Well, let's see. Yes. I saw the insurance and the registration.
And his vehicle registration, so he doesn't have expired plates anymore?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Anita Watkins,
Yes.
now, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Anita Watkins. This is ticket P 1280468. One count 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Also calling ticket number P 1280469. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Anita Watkins.
There's an offer, Your Honor, to dismiss the no insurance and reduce the 16 to 20 to 5 over limited access, 1 to 5 over.
Yes.
And it's a trial set for today. You understand that the officers did appear for this matter. Is that correct, Ms. Watkins?
Yes.
All right. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of November 23rd of 2021, in the area of Hubble and Eden Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Watkins was speeding over the limit, doing limited access 60 and a 55 mile per hour zone. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. Stipulate the probable cause on the other charge.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge, limited access, 60 and a 55 mile per hour zone. The fine for that is $125, ma'am. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, that's fine.
That's going to be due 11/15/2022. And for the record, Officer Shabazz is present with us today. That's the officer on this ticket, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, officer.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, have a good day, sir. Have a good day, ma'am, okay?
Is it a way to pay online?
Yes, at 36districtcourt.org.
Okay.
On the left-hand side, you'll see a case lookup. Look up your case, and when you do that, you'll be able to pay for your case at that point in time, okay?
Okay, I put in the case number, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
What you say, 36 district dot?
36districtcourt.org.
Oh,
36
court.org.
districtcourt.org, okay?
Okay, okay,
If
thank
you
you.
forget, just Google 36 District Court Detroit, okay? And it'll take you there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day, Ms. Watkins. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Mateo Williams. You gotta unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Mateo Williams. This is ticket number SP 1306971. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two of that same ticket is expired plates. Also calling ticket number SP 139366681. Count one, expired plates. Count two, no receipt of registration. Count three, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Mateo Williams.
Yeah, I don't know if a amended offer was made to do the production of documents or not.
All right. Have you seen the documents as an officer of the court?
Yes, Your
Counsel?
Honor.
You saw a valid registration now for that vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Also saw that he has valid car insurance at this point in time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so with that being said, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice, you being an officer of the court having seen valid documents. Sir, you remember this experience today?
Okay, thank you.
Make sure that you have everything up to date, valid in your vehicle, because you know what happens, Mr. Williams, if you don't?
What happens?
You get another ticket, and guess what you're gonna have to do?
Pay it.
Pay and come sit in virtual court again, okay?
Okay, I got it. So I don't have to pay nothing. Everything is drugged.
Everything is done. It's dismissed because you have valid documentation, but this only happened because you had the valid documentation. You don't want to keep getting tickets, because guess what? I remember people, Mr. Williams.
Right. Well, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day, sir, okay?
Have a blessed day. Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you get the other?
Roxanne Zachary is a dismissal.
And I have that right here, Judge.
Okay.
Just finished it. That one.
John, you got to keep up with us here now.
I'm trying. You're moving fast.
Oh, I don't move fast.
It's getting close to lunchtime, you know?
I know it.
understand.
Roxanne Zachary,
Yes, ma'am.
I see you, Corporal Nat, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Roxana Zachary. This is ticket number P 1331267. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, expired plate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number 222979. Drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket number 465428. One count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number P 1300719. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number X 39544729. Count 1, no operator's license, multiple operators license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Roxanne Zachary.
Your Honor, I believe there's an amended offer to dismiss these matters.
All right, there is at this time.
Proper documentation, if I may say.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
You're okay. I do want to mention that Corporal Knapp is present today on here for the bench trial, at least for one of the tickets, but it's my understanding that she has now become in compliance, having her driver's license, having plates and proof of insurance. So the court is up. I also have Corporal Rule and Corporal Knapp. Thank you. They both came into play. Thank you so much, Corporal Rule. I appreciate you popping on your screen as well so that I can know you were here for the bench trial. So she is in compliance now, so the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Let me caution you, Ms. Zachary. You had a lot of tickets where you didn't have this stuff in place. Don't let this stuff lapse, because you just come back and you don't want to, okay, I see you got your, okay, all right, okay. Keep it all up to date and valid, because what happens is that it comes a cycle, you just come back through our doors over and over again. Don't let that happen. Keep your license always up to date. Get that car insurance. I know it's expensive in the city. I live in the city too, but we gotta keep it so that we make sure we take care of business. Okay, Ms. Zachary?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
You all
Jen.
have a good day.
Thank you all. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Pay a transit contract, no.
Unless that was that. Attorney Faulkner,
Yes,
can I just get you over the offer for Woody?
okay.
Have you spoken to Kia Webster and Yusuf?
Let's see. Yusuf has already been in front of the judge.
He's in the breakout room.
But he had that one marijuana count.
Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah. We got to, and there was no offer. So you're basically offering a 3-month delayed sentence?
Yeah, I mean, we could try and get Ms. Cole, but do you want?
No, I would accept your offer, but I got to discuss it with him.
Okay.
See what his decision is. Okay, I'll be right back. Mateo. No, it's not Mateo. That's Yusuf. Your Honor,
Yes.
Mr. Youssef does have a medical card. I've seen it.
Gotta ask him if that, but you can't have it on the highway, you can't be smoking on the highway. Let me ask him, I gotta ask him what he do there. Let me call Ms. Cole, can you talk to Nakia Webster while I'm doing that?
Yes. I think I've already talked to Webster.
You're welcome.
I don't, room number 14, I'm guessing that's Woody.
Yeah, I just got the offer. I think I've got the offer.
Okay.
I gotta go and being on Webster, it's gonna be a waiver trial date
Okay.
requested. I don't think I got Woody. Let me check. I do not have Woody yet.
Account of blockading and account of improper play.
On Woody,
Yes.
blockading, and improper plates.
For fail to stop for a stop sign, it's gonna be a blockading, and for a drive while license suspended, it's gonna be amended to it. No insurance is gonna be amended to an improper plate. The remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Okay, stop sign. Okay,
She sent it to you too as well.
I know she did. I just haven't gotten it yet.
Okay.
I'll go in on Woody right now.
Okay.
Your Honor, do we have a Thatcher?
Is that who that is?
On room 14, there's a THATZATR.
We think that's Woody. I don't know.
Oh, okay. That would make sense. Okay, hopefully it is. We'll see.
Okay.
Okay, Woody will be a plea, Your Honor.
You can unmute yourself, ma'am.
I'm sorry, what did she say?
I said, just unmute yourself.
Hi, Tawana Woody.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Tawana Woody. This is ticket P 1186436. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, failed to stop for a stop sign. Ticket number P 1174089. Count 1, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Also calling C ticket 554368. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Expired license. Count 2, expired plate. Count 3, a speeding ticket, 51 and a 35. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Carl Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Tawana Woody.
Your Honor, there's an offer to reduce the stop sign to blockading and to reduce the no insurance to improper plates. My client accepts the offer.
You want to take advantage of that offer today, ma'am?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or
No.
promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or a jury trial?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of April 22nd of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Jeep vehicle in the area of Lauder and Midland Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you driving that vehicle while your license was suspended?
Yes.
Oh, no, I was supposed to ask about insurance. I'm sorry. Did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
Yes.
And did you fail to stop for a stop sign, therefore blocking traffic?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor, stipulate to all the other tickets to be probable
Thank you
cause.
so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge on count 2 of improper plates and the amended charge of responsible to blockading. The remaining tickets called on this record today will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for blockading is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
You says how much?
$175.
Okay. You say 14 days?
I said, it's typically with civil infractions, you only have 14 days. Is that enough time for you?
Yes, that's fine.
All right. I'm gonna have that do no later than November 15th, 2022.
Okay.
I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on your other ticket, okay?
Thank
Just pay
you.
that. You're welcome. All right, now you have several tickets in default, okay? You don't have to pay those tickets. There's some reinstatement fees out there you need to pay. You have to pay those in order to get your license back, okay?
I can't make a court date on them. I have to pay them.
Yeah, they went into default a long time ago. So when you don't come back to court, they just go into default, and they went in a while ago, so,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bring out Ms. Webster. And we can't get in contact with Ms. Cole, so that he may want to come back on another day. Nikita Webster?
Hello.
Hello. All right.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
All right. Now recalling the matter of the people versus Nikita Webster. This is ticket 3, SP 13069901. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling case number SP 1205877, count 1, drag racing passenger, count 2, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Nakia Webster.
Your Honor, my client continues her plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, is that right, ma'am?
That's correct.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you
Okay.
swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. It's going to be scheduled for January 30th. January 30th. That's going to be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. And I'll see you back then, okay?
Okay. You said January 30th, right? I'm just trying to
Yes,
put it on my calendar.
January 30th. Bye.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
I will.
Yusuf is still in the breakout room.
Right.
He's the one with the medical.
I know, but it's on the roadway. You can't consume it. Whether you have a card or not, you can't consume it on the roadway. So
Well, his testimony will be he wasn't consuming, but he just had it on him.
That's the only information I can give.
Well, I don't know what to do on it, Judge, if we don't have a prosecutor other than move to dismiss for lack of prosecution.
Well, no, because I didn't know we needed one until afternoon, so I'm not gonna do that. If I'd known earlier and she didn't show up, I'd give you that one, but I didn't call her until 12:15, which is into lunchtime.
Well, he's not gonna plead guilty on it, Your Honor, so I guess we need a trial date.
Okay. Mr. Yusuf?
Yes.
All right. Recalling the matters of the people. First is Mohammed Yusuf. This is ticket 293113, drove while license suspended. Ticket P 1357230, count 1, drove while license not valid, proper license, count 2, draw, brandishing, facsimile firearm, count 3, consuming marijuana while operating a motor vehicle. Ticket number P 1357251, drive on shoulder, pass traffic on expressway, no proof of insurance is count 2, count 3, no valid registration certificate, and ticket number P 1004445, one count driver's license never required. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Mohammed Yusuf.
Your Honor, my client can't accept the offer at this time because of the marijuana charge. We're pleading not guilty.
Court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. So we need to talk to the prosecutor about this, not the one that we talked to, another one. They may be willing to do something, because I see what the other offer is, but I don't have that authority to do it. So I can either give you a pre-trial date, or I can give you a bench trial date, or a jury trial date. Which one would you like, sir?
Your Honor, may I intercept here? Is it possible that you could notify Ms. Cole to be here tomorrow or the next day, and so he can take care of this matter timely?
Yes, if I know in the morning, I can certainly get her here. I just have to see how my docket looks for the next 2 days.
Well, you know, that by the end of the week,
Okay.
what's today, Tuesday? Would you like to come back just with that medical card and see what we can take care of it, Mr. Yusuf?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow, can you come back tomorrow, Mr. Yusuf?
Yes, what time?
Come back at 8:30,
Okay,
okay?
alrighty.
All right.
Do you first.
Thank you, Mr. Yusuf. I'll make sure we're gonna put a note in here that you were here all day today, okay, this morning.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Okay, all right, we'll reach out to Ms. Cole today, so we can have an offer for you early tomorrow, okay?
Sounds good, I appreciate you.
You're welcome. All right, take care. We'll see you tomorrow. This is adjourned until tomorrow.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right.